will discuss 7th question, which have two problems in it. In that first one, a percolation pipe is filled with the soil A. Water content is 50 ml. Is then poured steady onto the surface of the soil. It takes 10 minutes from the start of pouring for the water to disappear below the surface of the soil. What is the percolation rate for the soil A? It means this is the top surface of the soil. Water is poured on this surface and it is going toward the bottom of the soil profile. Okay, and the water quantity is 50 ml and it takes 10 minutes to reach at the bottom of that soil profile for sample A. So we have to calculate here percolation rate. So percolation rate, first we will write given things. So given things, time is 10 minutes, then quantity is 50 ml. So percolation rate formula is quantity of water divided by time for traveling. So quantity of water is 50 ml. So we have written 50 ml here. Then time is 10 minutes. So we are writing 10. Now this 0 and 0 will get cancelled. So answer is 5. But what will be the unit? 5 ml per minute. Right? This is same as calculating velocity. Velocity is distance upon time. Here in place of distance we have quantity upon time. And quantity is measured in ml and time is measured in minute. So unit is ml per minute. Okay, so we are just dividing 50 by 10. 50 by 10 means 10 5s are 50. So answer is 5 ml per minute. So at the end you will write percolation rate is 5 ml per minute. Second question. After the water has fully drained from soil A, the sample is weighted. This weight means when the soil contains water, then its weight is 25.8 gram. After drying in an oven overnight, the soil sample is weighted again. Means now we have dry soil and the dry weight is 22.3. What is the water holding capacity of soil? Okay, now we have two new information. The same soil is taken for second example and now this soil is weighted before drying and after drying. So before drying soil is weight. So weight, soil weight, WET weight, and here WEIGHT weight. So weight, soil weight, we write notation it as W2, which is 25.8 gram. Okay, then dry soil weight. Dry soil weight is W1, which is given as 22.3 gram. Okay. Now we want to find water holding capacity. Water is evaporated from this soil. Okay. We have the residue of initial and final soil. So what we can do? We can do subtraction. So W2 minus W1, because W2 is highest number and W1 is lowest number. So W2 minus W1, that is 25.8 minus 22.3. 25.8 minus 22.3. 8 minus 3, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 2 minus 2, 0. So 3.5. So difference is 3.5 gram. This is the quantity of water. But we want to find holding capacity. Okay. So for holding capacity, water holding capacity, formula is W2 minus W1 upon W1 into 100. Okay. Now for W2 minus W1, we have directly answered 3.5. W1 quantity is 22.3 into 100. Okay. So I will write remaining part here so you can see it easily. So 3.5 upon 22.3 into 100. point and point will get cancelled because after point there is one number, and here also after point there is one number, so point and point will get cancelled. So it will become 35 upon 233 into 100. Right? Now for 35 and 223 we need to do division, or we can just write it as 3500 upon 220. Now we have to make. So now for this division, that is 3500 divided by 223. 223 is a number for which we don't know the table. So first what we will do? We will prepare a table, that is 223 into 1, 223 into 2, 223 into 3. Like that you can prepare till 10, but let's take till 7. Okay, I am not showing you how to do multiplication because you know the multiplication. We will directly go for next step. So 3500 divided by 223. So we are writing 223 here and 3500. Okay, so first we will focus on first three numbers. 350. So where will be this 350? Between 1 and 2. 350 is less than 446. So we have to take 223 ones are. Okay. So 223 ones are 223. Now 0 minus 3, 7. Carry 1. 4 minus 2, 2. Then 3 minus 2, 1. Now remainder is 127, but we have this 0, so we will take this 0 with this 127. So now new number is 1270. Now 1270, it will be here. Okay, 1270 is between 1115 and 1338. So we will take 223 5s are. So 223 5s are 1115. Okay, 0 minus 5, 5. 7 minus 2, or just we are taking 1 here. So 5 minus 2, 5. Then 2 minus 1, 1. And 1 minus 1, 0. Okay. Now 155 is less than 223. So take a point, write 0. New number again 1550. 1550. The less number than 1550 is 1115. Okay, that's the number. Okay, sorry, 1138. That is 6 za. So 6 za 1338. Now minus again. 0 minus 8, 2. Carry 1. 4 minus 3, 1. 5 minus 3, 2 and 0. So now we have answer 15.6. We won't do this further because it will take too many steps again. So it's okay if we find answer for one digit after decimal. Okay. So final answer is 15.6%. So water holding capacity for the sample A will be 15.6%. So here we complete with problems and the exercise and all the parts for chapter soil. You have to solve this problem in your notebook, so it will be for your reference in the future. Let's take a break for some time, and we will meet after some days for next